Welcome to Lake Garda, Italy, a paradise for nature lovers, adventure seekers, and culture enthusiasts. In this video, we'll explore the top 10 things to do in Lake Garda. Let's dive in. Number 10. Sirmione. Renowned as a popular holiday spot on Lake Garda, Sirmione is situated on a peninsula extending into the lake. The historic town boasts notable attractions, including the ruins of a Roman villa known as the Grotte di Catulo and a 13th century castle. Experience the lively atmosphere and savor a meal at one of the many restaurants catering to hungry visitors. To explore other resorts around the lake, you can take a ferry from the town center. Sirmione offers a variety of charming hotels, most of which are located in the historical center. However, if you prefer to relax by the lake, consider staying in a hotel along the peninsula, where rooms offer scenic views of the water. Number 9. Pesera del Garda, located at the southern end of the lake. The charming town of Pesera del Garda is only a short train ride from Verona. Surrounded by an impressive fortress and ancient city walls, this town exudes a distinctive beauty. Enjoy a leisurely walk around the picturesque harbor, where restaurants offer delectable meals by the shimmering water's edge. Alternatively, explore the intricate network of canals winding through the city and spend sunny afternoons relaxing on the beach. Number 8. Reva del Garda. Nestled at the northern tip of Lake Garda, this bustling Italian town lies at the base of towering mountains, surrounded by lush valleys and offering stunning lake views. The picturesque and lively town of Reva del Garda gently slopes into the blue waters of the lake, providing a welcoming base for your Lake Garda vacation. Spend relaxing days by the shore, strolling along the harbor, reading in the public park, or soaking up the sun on the beach. Reva del Garda also boasts a rich ancient history, featuring captivating ruins of an old fortress, winding lanes to explore, and hidden gems to discover. Number 7. Laziz. Nestled at the base of the Maline Hills, Laziz's medieval history permeates its streets. Visitors are attracted to this lakeside town to explore the 6 towers and walls of the Castello Scaligro. Wander through Laziz's enchanting ancient town center, discovering its narrow pathways and charming plazas. Experience the local culture at the weekly fresh food market, and dine in the many street-side cafes and restaurants. Laziz offers a variety of accommodations to suit every traveler's budget, including bed and breakfasts, campsites, holiday motels, and luxury hotels. Stay in Laziz for a taste of everything Lake Garda has to offer. Number 6. Bardolino. Chic and sophisticated. Bardolino is nestled among the Maline Hills, covered with olive groves and vineyards. Its old town center is a maze of lanes filled with shops and charming restaurants. At the town's weekly morning market, you can buy local produce as souvenirs and enjoy wine tasting along the Vine Road, stopping at various wine shops. Bardolino is an excellent base for exploring the surrounding scenery and hiking in the hills, offering fantastic mid-range hotels ideal for families and couples. Number 5. Malsicine. Small yet splendid. Malsicine draws families and relaxed couples to its cobbled streets. Bustling in the summer, the town sees tourists basking in the sun, enjoying ice cream and lounging on the beach. For those looking to explore the surrounding landscape, a cable car to Monte Baldo offers opportunities for cycling and hiking. Due to the town center's compact size, many hotels are located outside the old center, offering a mix of mid-range and luxury accommodations with lakeside lawns. If you prefer to stay within the town center, expect smaller and more basic hotel rooms. Number 4. Salo. Sitting in a small gulf on the banks of the lake, sheltered by the mountainous landscape, Salo is a stunning and chic town that is perfect for a couple's holiday. The peaks of Monte San Bartolomeo tower over the town and make for an impressive setting. Salo seems small in comparison to its tall and rugged backdrop, and the views along the narrow streets are ideal for taking incredible holiday snaps. The transport links are not as good as they are at bigger tourist hubs around Lake Garda, but if you don't mind spending some time with your other half in such a beautiful old town, this is the ideal base for your trip to the area. Salo means lazy afternoons spent sipping wine with locals in small tavernas, eating freshly caught fish from the lake. Stay in chic lakeside villas or traditional buildings with swimming pools, tucked away in landscaped gardens in Salo's many picture-perfect mid-range and luxury stays. Number 3, Gardone Riviera. The small town of Gardone Riviera attracts many visitors and serves as an excellent base for exploring Lake Garda. Situated midway up the western shore, it offers the shorter boat trips to the historic settlements around the lake. Gardone Riviera is relaxing and carefree, featuring small boutiques, a variety of hotels, and dining options. The town's friendly atmosphere has something for everyone within its compact streets. Spend your mornings on the lake, afternoons at pavement cafes, and evenings in one of the comfortable, well-priced hotels. Boats depart from the central pier, and a bus service connects the town to the airport in nearby Brescia. Number 2, Lemona Garda, bathed in Italian opulence. Lemona Garda is nestled in the dramatically mountainous north of the lake. Luxuriantly green and breathtakingly beautiful, the town's name means lemon, reflecting its history of lemon groves. Staying in Lemona Garda adds a touch of Hollywood glamour to your Italian lakeside vacation. Car chase scenes from the James Bond film Quantum of Solace were shot here. Narrow lanes lined with shops and restaurants catering to visitors in the old town lead to the lake's shore. Waterfront terraces invite passers-by to enjoy Mediterranean dishes and spend afternoons sunbathing. Stay in 5-star luxury hotels nestled among olive and lemon groves, where swimming pools seem to merge with the lake, and life feels wonderful. Number 1, Inano del Garda, well connected by public transport, is ideal for those arriving at Lake Garda by train. Located on the flatter southern end of the lake, it serves as a convenient point to catch the local ferry to nearby destinations along the shore. The town comes alive on weekends as Italians, dressed in their finest, gather to drink, dance, and socialize in the bars and clubs.